I've been racking my brains as to what else to do with this channel, what else I can do for you. And what I decided to do was try a little experiment. Now what I need is your help. Because I'll tell you my idea, and if you like it, and I'm going to do it with this video now, stick some down below comments, let me know what you like, dislike, what I can change, how I can improve it, all that stuff. Anyway, what I thought I'd do, I've been watching a lot of daily vlogs, people that vlog daily. Well, frankly, my life isn't that interesting. There's not enough material for me to vlog daily, and it's a lot of work, and I don't always have the time. So I'm not going to get involved with daily vlogging. But what I thought I'd do is a weekly vlog, and it will be so I'll plan to video throughout the week, stuff that I'm doing, stuff that I'm up to. I'll throw in hints and tips and where we are and what we're doing and all that all along it, so it'll be sort of like a bit of a mishmash. So rather than do just one on I don't know, what did I do last time, electric hookup, rather than just do a whole video on that, I'll include it as part of my weekly vlog. You know, it'll be where we are, how we got there, all that sort of stuff. That's the plan. And I've got some ideas, and what I'll do is I plan to end my week on a Friday, do the editing on a Saturday, so I can still release it on Sunday morning as usual. Right, so here goes. This is week number 1, vlog 1. Well, things are afoot this week. It's Easter bank holiday weekend. It's Easter weekend, so stuff's, you know, and what a lovely weekend! Really, really nice and sunny, nice and warm. Getting to enjoy that. Even got the chairs out and sat in the sun for a bit. And anyone that knows me will know that's like, ooh, Gary the sun. Wow. So anyway, I got overexcited. Sorry about that. Anyway, we're having our carpet ripped out, and we're having new carpet. Well, not new carpet. We're having lino fitted. Anyone that owns a husky, one husky, just one, will know that there's a lot of hair involved, and in a carpet, it's a lot of work. It's at least once a day. You're having to really heavily hoover and brush the carpet. We've got 2 huskies, so that's twice the work. Haha. So anyway, we some friends of ours introduced us to a chap that's a carpet fitter that does RVs and motorhomes and stuff. He has he worked for a company, a carpet company that does this sort of like really thick, durable lino. I think it's called Rhino Lino or Techno Lino, something like that. But anyway. Problem with pulling up a carpet is that you find, well, when you've got a wooden floor, you find things. We found this. We've got some wet rot going on. One where the dogs' bowls were, and it might be because the dogs have keep spilling water over the edge, and the other is where had a known leak. In fact, a recurring leak. It's just where the taps, where the pipes join the taps for the shower, or for the bath, but for the shower. It regularly just comes loose and drips a little bit. So those 2 points. I'm going to try and treat it with some treatment to see if that works. But if not, we'll have to cut those pieces of flooring out and replace them. I'll let you know how I get on with that. But the guy that's laid the lino has not stuck the lino down there, or has left it in a way that I can peel it back so I can treat the wood or cut it out if necessary. Once I've got it all resolved and I'm happy with it, I'll then, he's even left the glue to stick it down, so we'll sort that out then.
I want to give a quick shout out to Kevin, who just miscalled me. Hi Kevin, thank you very much for the accidentally calling me. Hope you're enjoying our Miramar, and maybe one day we'll meet up.
You're in my vlog. Is that me there now? You're on my vlog
Yo,
now.
what the fuck?
Cheers, mate.
Hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you've had any experience with wet rot, either in your motorhome or caravan or wherever else, and you have some advice, or how did you solve it, stick it in the comments below. Tell us how you did it. You know, any help or advice is appreciated, and I'll let you know how I get on. If you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to press that little bell icon to get notifications when I upload my next video. And until next time, take care, have fun.